Sabi ng LTO, driving an unregistered vehicle is reckless driving. Tama ba sila? Nag-viral ang post ni James Deacon na bigyan ng ticket ang anak niya for reckless driving. Sa isang press conference, sinabi ng LTO na hindi daw rehistrado ang sasakyan na ginamit ng anak niya. Kapag nag-drive ka daw ng unregistered vehicle, it is considered as reckless driving. Ang basis daw nila is Joint Administrative Order 2014-01. So, binasa ko ang JAO na yan. Pero wala namang nakasulat na driving an unregistered vehicle is considered reckless driving. Ang JAO 2014-01 ay hindi nagde-define ng reckless driving. Ang purpose lang niya ay ilista ang fines for different violations. Reckless driving may sariling penalty. Driving an unregistered vehicle, may ibang penalty din. Walang anywhere doon na nagsasabi that driving a car that's unregistered is reckless driving. Ang definition ng reckless driving ay nasa RA 4136, Section 48. At malinaw na reckless driving means operating a vehicle without reasonable caution at may danger to persons or property. Ibig sabihin, driving behavior ang basihan, hindi papeles. Ang unregistered vehicle naman ay administrative violation under different sections. Fine siya at pwedeng i-impound. Pero again, hindi stated sa batas na kapag unregistered ay reckless na bigla. So, ano yan? Invento ng LTO ang connection? Gina-justify lang ba nila ang huli sa anak ni James? Defensive ba sila? Ano sa tingin nyo?